Hey, it's Jim. It's Friday, March 31st. So happy Friday. April Fool's tomorrow. So don't forget that one. You can phone your buddy and tell him he slept in for work for Monday or whatever you want to do. But me and my dog Charlie out here on the picnic table in the backyard. Just gonna show you the cylinder for the 661. So just finished porting work on it. I was actually quite impressed with the squish or piston clearance on this thing. It's right around 25 thou, which is pretty much perfect. So I didn't end up putting her in the lathe. It's gonna run stock squish and therefore same gasket. I don't know if it's gonna show up, but I took some pictures. They might show up better, but kind of the Mickey Mouse ears or whatever on the intake. Open the transfers up just a bit here, a little bit more flow, and then I did adjust the upper transfers as well. These ones are really impressive. The way the charge swirls in here. Both sets of ports swirl toward the intake portion, so it actually really helps scavenge or remove the exhaust from the combustion and help evacuate that. So it's really nice flow in there already. So I just maintained that, but I did raise it. And I'll have to check my notes, but I'm pretty sure I'm deleting the decomp and putting a plug in there. So yeah. I don't know if these cylinders are quite as clean as some of the older Stihls were, but anyway. Okay, I'll make a few more as I assemble it or reassemble it. Hey, it's Jim. It's Friday, March 31st, so TGIF, happy Friday. Just doing a pressure and vac test on the 661 as I reassemble it, just to make sure that I don't have any leaks when I get it back to them. Kind of looks like I could probably go have supper and come back, and I don't think it's going to move, so looking good. I'm just going to bleed her off and we'll keep going.